Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Yamaha SCR950. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 4,568 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a low beam with sufficient output, a running light that has sufficient visibility, front and rear turn signals with sufficient visibility, a plate bracket and a plate light, and a chain guard. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and the rear at 3/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys and has been upgraded with Pro Taper handlebars and Pro Taper grips, adjustable levers, braided lines and cables, a front brake reservoir cover, LED headlights, fork-mounted LED front turn signals, LED strip lighting tail light, saddleman seat, number plates, painted foot pegs, an aftermarket rear fender, a TBR exhaust, Run Rims rear wheel, and a K&N intake. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.